Hello everyone. So if you want to ensure that your Android apps are safe and you don't have any malware and any harmful apps on your phone, so let's find some harmful apps. Let's clean up our phone. First of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our security and privacy section. There it is. Let's choose it. After that, let's press on app security, which you see in this list. Great. After this, we are to tap on Google Play Protect. Press scan. Give it some time to scan in. It was really fast, and as you see, no harmful apps found. Good for us. Let's go back. So then I recommend you to make an update. Simply perform a system update if you have any updates pending. So in my case, it's right here in system and updates. So if you're gonna tap here, you'll see that you have an update or not. If you do, use your device and simply update it. The second thing, I would recommend you to check app permissions. So go back, now locate apps. After that, scroll down to special app access. And the first permissions which you should check should be always device admin apps. If you see any unknown app here, make sure to turn it off and delete this app because this app is spying on you. And simply go through permission to permission. It may take some time. However, if you have some problem in your phone, simply do this. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.